The main part of computer is CPU. The meaning of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The CPU have many parts like motherboard, hard disk, RAM, ROM, processor and SMPS. These are called CPU. Without these parts, we will call cabinet. The function of motherboard is supply the power to all parts of a system. Hard disk is a storage device. It is store the data and files. RAM means random access memory. It is used to modify the application. ROM means read-only memory. It is used to read the files. Processor is very important device to run the program. Processor is used to convert the language. Processor fan, it is used to cool the system without any damage. We work fast 24 hours. SMPS means switch mode power supply. It is used to high voltage of power to protect the system without any damage. Then continue, this topic is Kamala.
Uses of monitor. Main example is display. Display purpose of using monitor. There are example in television. Television will be use of visual of directions. Indirect connection will be visual of display. So there are also monitor also the connection of VGA cable of data saved in data. So there are use of monitor display. There are three types of uses of display: CRT, LED and LCD. CRT means cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube means display occupies is more and display is very bright and light and more occupies there are. So disadvantages of CRT. So there will be use of display. So these are the disadvantages of CRT. Their upcoming generation will be use of LED. LED means liquid, LCD means liquid crystal display. This also used in display. Brightness also so many, and there can be use of we need a use of their brightness is more and black and white also there. So this also disadvantages of LCD. There can upcoming generation will be LED. LED means light emitting diode. These are more advantages of there. More advantages of there in brightness also low and color also there. So many advantages of LED. So this generation will be use of so many advantages of eye protection also. So many children will be have this monitor also use of so many advantages there. Next is speaker. Speaker will be use of sound purpose. So using Bluetooth connection also wireless speakers. So there we decrease and increase the sound. We let them continue their bargaining.
I'm telling about the keyboard. The keyboard uses of data entry purpose. Data entry means characters entry. Keyboard have 5 types of keys. Function keys. Function keys have F1 to F12. The function keys uses of office work. And the next there F5 is uses of refresh. And next there typing keys. Typing keys uses of any data entry in monitor. The typing keys have A to Z alphabetical keys, and next there number keys. The number keys have 0 to 9 digits. The number lock is on, then numbers are work in the keyboard. Then number lock is off, then not work in the keyboard the numbers. And next one is control keys. The control keys have arrows keys top, bottom, left, right. The arrows keys uses of move the cursor in the monitor. And next there special keys. Special keys have enter, space, tab, caps lock, escape. The enter is uses of text will becomes line by line. And next is space. Space key is uses of space or letter to letter. The next is escape. The escape is uses to close the application box. And next is shift. The shift is uses of any press shift and any key becomes big letter. And next is I'm telling about mouse. The mouse is uses of move the text in the monitor. The mouse have left click, right click and browser. The browser is uses of see the many files in the monitor. Thank you for giving opportunity.